What's up, everybody? It's Dylan once again. Just got done doing my workout for the day. Trying to lose some weight here. Working out, eating quite a bit healthier. I actually haven't, if you've seen my older videos, I was always cracking a Dr. Pepper at the beginning of them. Well, in 2 days, I'll have been done drinking pop for a whole month. So I don't think I've ever gone this long without pop, but we're trying. Anyways, I just done something to the Cruze a little bit ago. If you've seen my other video talking about the GTO, wanting to wrap it, I had that material. Well, basically, I just took my black, ended up using the whole thing on it, and I wrapped the little spoiler of the Cruze. Now, it's definitely not perfect. Actually, it turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. I would have recorded doing this if I thought it was going to turn out like it did. I really thought it was going to be a complete disaster, so I didn't even bother recording it. But I'll throw in a couple pictures, show you a picture of what the car looked like without it. A picture when I first laid the vinyl down on it. And you already see what it looks like now, but I'll throw a couple pictures in of afterwards. I'm going to leave my parents real soon, head back to my house, get a shower after doing this workout, and I think I might try doing a mirror, which I think the only difficult part will be to wrap it around that edge there. But okay, so I'm back and I've got my stuff set out here. Here's the white. Okay, so I'm going to try doing this just like I did with the back, which is just taking all the backing off of this and trying to work around with it after I clean it off with the rubbing alcohol there. So I put some tape here. I'm going to try to cut it, hopefully around on that little line wherever it is under there. It's not going to be perfect, I can tell you that. But I'm going to try to pull that over, cut it, and then lay this other piece on. So, we'll see. So that's that. I really don't like that white on this red. I wasn't gonna do that anyways, but yeah, multiple spots where I got right by the paint, so it does not look that good, clearly. I think I was in over my head on that one. That's why I'm gonna pay someone to do the GTO instead of me trying it. But I feel like I could probably do the roof by myself. You know, these bigger panels I could probably do. I say probably, but I don't really know. Maybe they'd turn out just as bad as the mirror. But anyways, doing the mirror. That was a fail. If it would have looked better on here and would have went easier, I was thinking about doing the other side, but like I said, I don't like that white on here anyways. It is a nice white. Anyways, thank you for joining me on how to fail at vinyl wrapping. And yeah, if this video helped you to not screw up like I did, and go check out somebody that actually knows what they're doing, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment on what I should have done. Clearly I should have done a little more research on wrapping mirrors, but it is what it is. It was just a little trial anyways. You know, second thing I've ever wrapped. That was the first. And as always, subscribe. I appreciate you guys.